Legacy and Jackson and Company are about the same age. We're both celebrating our 30th anniversary this year. They believe integrity is important. They believe taking great care of people is important. They believe in making people comfortable and making healthcare easy is important. And I think that that was true 30 years ago when I first became involved with them. I think it's even more true today. And as a result of growth, I think both of our organizations are better able to do that.
For a long time, we were only providing HIV care because, frankly, it overwhelmed our community, and our community needed us desperately at that point in time. We've come from that point in the 80s to a point now where we have children in our new building, in the same building where people are coming in for their HIV treatment.
I'm terrifically excited about the new building, and I think it's going to provide a healthcare home for initially 40 or 50,000 of our citizens that are in such need of support. It's beautiful, it's comfortable, it's user-friendly.
I think, first of all, the structure is unbelievable. It's just incredible, nice and beautiful. It creates a monument to every Houstonian that we're building something together.
One of the wonderful things that Legacy has to offer is prenatal care for pregnant women, which, as we all know, is so important to raising healthy children and getting them on a good start to life.
The first thing that goes through your mind when you find out you're pregnant is, oh my goodness, can I do this by myself? But when I found Legacy, it's like all of my worries went away because they make you feel like family here. It's extremely reassuring. In the maternity classes, we learn about holding your newborn properly, what to expect during pregnancy and after. And I never leave here with a doubt in my mind about anything.
I was so impressed with how helpful the people there are. They really do take care of these patients, and they do try to show people the right ways to eat and exercise and live a healthier life, and it is educational. And they offer dental services, and they offer the eye doctor, and you can get your glasses there, and it's sort of a full spectrum in one place, which is really nice. It's a great idea.
All three of the neighborhoods that we're in, we're under one roof, providing a full continuum of care. I think that's very appealing to people.
Those of us gathered today for this luncheon are largely fortunate. We have had the benefit of our employers providing health insurance for us or being able to afford it in the private sector, and we're really blessed by that.
In a big city like Houston, there's so many people doing so many different kind of jobs to make our city run, and a lot of those jobs don't come with health insurance, and they might be going along just fine in their lives, and then something goes wrong.
It makes the entire workforce less productive when people are ill and can't get health care. And that means whatever the services they deliver. In my instance, we're delivering catering and event services, and we do that in a more effective way if we keep a healthy workforce internally and with all of those organizations that support us.
So when people don't have their own doctor, they don't have insurance, they don't have anywhere to go, they turn up at the emergency room as though it's their clinic because it's all that they have. And then that ties up the emergency rooms for people who really need them.
And when you go to the emergency room, no matter what, it costs more money. We try to help them stay healthy and stay well and stay productive.
I was not aware of two of my very good employees were part of clients of Legacy, which I found out later on how much his Legacy and this organization has done for them, helping them on their medication, keeping them really, really healthy. And that translates on me having a very, very healthy business as well.
And it seems to me that an organization like Legacy is in a much better position to provide value for the dollars expended. So I think it's in our enlightened self-interest as citizens to support an organization like that, not just because we're compassionate and we want people to have great health care, but because the economic model works better.
It helps you realize how important it is to help these good folks who have this system in place that's very successful, but they need our help.
You know, I think our lives are more interrelated than any of us realize. Sometimes we stumble across that and are surprised. But having a healthy citizenry, having people have access to health care impacts us probably in ways that we really don't even clearly understand. It certainly makes us more productive, but it seems to me that it's likely broader than that. We don't live in an insular world or an insular city. We're really all interrelated.